Welcome to Momo TV. Today we are taking you to a trip to the historical Imperial Street in Song Dynasty. This historic thoroughfare, once reserved exclusively for the emperor during ceremonies, was the mid-axis of Lin'an, connecting the imperial palace, the ancestral temple, and major city gates. As the front line of royal processions and public ceremonies, Imperial Street wasn't just opulent, it symbolized power, culture, and commerce. After centuries of transformation, renamed Zhongshan Road in the Republic era, the thoroughfare underwent major restoration starting 2008. It reopened in 2009, re-emerging as an architectural history museum, a living street blending Southern Song relics, early 20th century storefronts, sycamore-lined walkways, and canal waterways. Today, strolling along the restored stone pavement feels like stepping through 800 years of Hangzhou's urban life, where historic memory lives in every carved eave and shopfront. There are many interesting stores, such as this one themed with cats. Tucked away just off the ancient stone path of南宋御街, we stumble into something utterly perfect. This charming little shop is a shrine to all things feline, and especially to the iconic maneki-neko, Japan's beloved lucky cat. Rows of ceramic cats, each with one paw raised in a welcoming wave, smile from the shelves, some in gold for prosperity, others in white for happiness, pink for love. But it's not just figurines. Every corner of the shop is filled with cat-themed joy. Chopstick holders, tea mugs, notebooks, even ladles, all lovingly painted with playful kitty faces. Hangzhou, one of China's revered ancient capitals, often praised as heaven on earth. Tracing its roots back to the Neolithic Liangzhu culture 5,000 years ago, Hangzhou later emerged as a vital hub on the Grand Canal, beginning in the Sui dynasty. By the 12th century, it became Lin'an, the thriving capital of the Southern Song dynasty, hosting over 1 million residents, with Marco Polo famously calling it greater than any in the world. Today, DC headquarters of companies like Alibaba and UNESCO sites like Westlake have positioned Hangzhou as both a global tech leader and guardian of China's cultural legacy. Just a few steps away from the bustling foot traffic of南宋御街, time seems to soften, and tradition lingers in the air. This is Huichun Hall, one of Hangzhou's oldest and most respected Chinese medicine halls. Its name means Hall of Returning Spring, a poetic way to describe the restoration of vitality and health. First established centuries ago, Huichun Hall is far more than a relic. It's still a fully functioning clinic. Inside these historic walls, doctors trained in the ancient art of traditional Chinese medicine still see patients today, feeling pulses, studying tongues, prescribing herbal remedies grounded in millennia of wisdom. Our journey now brings us to a shop that feels more like an art gallery, where every breeze is a brushstroke of history. These are not just fans. They are handcrafted works of art, born from silk, bamboo, and generations of skill. Delicate embroidery dances across each surface, cranes in flight, blooming peonies, flowing calligraphy, stitched by hand, thread by thread. Traditionally used for cooling, yes, but also as a symbol of grace, femininity, and cultural refinement. In ancient China, a fine silk fan was an extension of one's elegance, and elegance still comes at a price. Some of these pieces, especially those with fine double-sided embroidery, can cost up to $100 or more. But what you're holding isn't just a fan. It's a story of craftsmanship, patience, and beauty, meant to last generations. Just when you think the journey through Nansong Yujai can't get more magical, you spot a storefront wrapped in misty legend. See you again, Lady Bai, invoking the beloved tale of Madam White Snake, one of China's most famous love stories. A sign says, free admission, and indeed, the doors open without charge. Inside, lanterns glow, silk flows, and the air feels just a little enchanted. But soon, the fairy tale shifts from immortal romance to immortal merchandising. Shelves are filled with gifts, trinkets, souvenirs, all inspired by Lady Bai, but very much ready for your shopping bag. It's part theme, part theater, and all in good fun. A little unexpected? Maybe. But then again, in a place like this, where history, myth, and modern life weave together, even a gift shop can feel like part of the story.
这个烧饼怎么卖？21块。
Thank you, and see you again in our next episode.